Today, we've got an exciting lineup of the latest and greatest gadgets that will blow your mind. From practical gadgets to cutting-edge technology, these are the 10 cool gadgets you must try. Let's get started. Elevate your driving experience with the KingSlim D4 Pro Dashcam, a multifaceted automotive companion that blends state-of-the-art technology with enhanced safety and security. With its dual-channel recording system, it takes the lead in ensuring you capture not only the road ahead but also the interior of your vehicle. How? Well, it's all thanks to the front camera's remarkable 270-degree rotation capability, which enables you to focus on the cabin's intricate details. And besides dynamic rotation capabilities, the D4 Pro also boasts UHD recording. But what sets it apart, especially in low-light conditions, is its exceptional night vision capabilities, as it can capture clear and detailed footage even in challenging lighting scenarios. Staying connected and managing your recordings is also made effortless with the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS features. Plus, the KingSlim app seamlessly connects to the D4 Pro, allowing you to adjust settings or review and download footage. For hands-free and safe driving, it introduces a voice control feature so that you can effortlessly control various aspects of this dashcam completely hands-free. On top of that, it offers a range of other reliable features for emergency recording, including a G sensor that auto-detects sudden shakes or collisions and locks the footage into an event folder. It even has parking monitoring, time-lapse recording, and loop recording, which overrides the oldest videos with the new ones. With the KingSlim D4 Pro Dashcam, your safety and recording needs are not just met, but exceeded, making it an indispensable tool for the modern driver. Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Say goodbye to cluttered coffee tables and multiple remotes and meet the SofaBaton U2 Universal Remote Control, which is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of devices including TVs, soundbars, streaming devices, and much more. It boasts support for over 500,000 home entertainment devices from more than 6,000 brands. And its code database is continuously updated to ensure compatibility with the latest devices on the market. This means no matter how many gadgets you have, the U2 remote can handle them all. Setting up this universal remote is a breeze thanks to the SofaBaton app, which allows you to reassign buttons and create macro buttons according to your preferences. These macro buttons let you run multiple commands with one button. You can set the order and timing of the commands, like turning on the TV first and then the audio system. One of the most significant improvements in the U2 model compared to their predecessor is its powerful signaling capabilities. The U2 features multiple built-in infrared receivers that expand the signal, effectively doubling the range. The remote's design is both ergonomic and user-friendly, and it features larger buttons and a sliding scroll wheel that enhances user experience. Moreover, the advanced OLED screen offers a wider viewing angle, providing you with clear and convenient navigation. You can set up a sleep time schedule to conserve battery power, ensuring your remote is always ready when you need it. Overall, the SofaBaton U2 Universal Remote Control is a powerful and versatile device that simplifies the process of controlling your home entertainment devices. It's a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their home entertainment setup. In the realm of automotive diagnostics, the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner shines as the vehicle's CEL doctor, an indispensable companion for anyone seeking to unravel the enigmatic language of their car's check engine light. Much more than a simple code reader, this device is a diagnostic powerhouse, providing a comprehensive toolkit to decode the mysteries hidden within your vehicle's onboard computer system. With the NT301, you're not just addressing symptoms. you're uncovering root causes of automotive maladies. It offers a multitude of features, from reading diagnostic trouble codes to accessing emission readiness status, resetting monitors, and even retrieving your vehicle's VIN. But what truly sets the NT301 apart is its ability to dive deep into the core of your vehicle's health. Its intuitive design, featuring a 2.8-inch color screen, ensures easy navigation through a plethora of features. Plus, the promise of free lifetime updates keeps your NT301 at the cutting edge of automotive technology. No more worrying about obsolescence as your vehicle evolves. For those concerned about emissions testing, the NT301 offers hotkeys to read and erase emissions-related codes, and its red, yellow, green LEDs, along with a built-in speaker, take the guesswork out of inspection and maintenance readiness. Moreover, this device draws its power directly from the 16-pin DLC, so you never have to worry about battery life. Whether you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast or a seasoned mechanic, the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner is a toolbox essential, saving you from spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on repairs that may not have been necessary in the first place. The AirGear Pro G500 and G750 are two high-quality respirator masks designed to provide reliable protection during various DIY projects and hazardous work environments. Both masks feature a dual filtration system A1P2 to ensure the safety of the wearer against gases, vapors, and airborne particles. They offer protection during activities such as painting, woodworking, construction, sanding, renovation, and demolition. The G500 respirator mask is equipped with safety goggles and has a lightweight structure with adjustable straps. On the other hand, the G750 respirator full face mask is built with an airtight silicone seal for the facepiece, strong ABS material for the frame, and a polycarbonate visor. The 5-point straps of the G750 make it easy to put on and take off, ensuring a comfortable fit for users of all face types and sizes. These masks are designed to be reusable, allowing the user to replace the filters and continue using them with optimal filtration. They also have scratch-resistant anti-fog glasses that offer excellent visibility and a wide field of vision, allowing users to maintain a clear line of sight during their work. Additionally, the G750 is equipped with a voice diaphragm, enabling uninterrupted and easy communication while wearing them. Overall, both the AirGear Pro G500 and G750 respirator masks are designed to meet the highest safety standards, providing users with reliable protection in hazardous work environments. Prepare to be mesmerized by the extraterrestrial aesthetics of the Gravistar Mars Pro. Though it might resemble a visitor from the red planet, it's not an alien, but a Bluetooth speaker ready to unleash pulsating bass that can rock any party. The fun doesn't cease with an impressive 15 hours of playtime. Tweak your audio effortlessly with its highly sensitive volume control. Gamers take note, the cool RGB lighting makes it an excellent addition to your setup. Bid farewell to cable chaos with Eclipse, a thoughtfully designed solution for charging your daily gadgets. Unlike cable boxes that just conceal the mess, Eclipse neatly organizes up to 24 feet of cables without tangling or overlapping. Its compact and rounded design complements any modern workspace, ensuring it doesn't need to be hidden away. It's not just about looks though. Eclipse intelligently ensures device charge at maximum speed, thanks to its advanced transformer providing safe and stable currents. For an immersive gaming desk setup, consider the Govee DreamView G1 Pro. This gadget offers a fully reactive and adaptive lighting experience with two light bars on each side of your monitor, a neon tile tip strip for the back, and a camera module for reactive lighting effects. When combined, they elevate your gaming experience to another level of immersion. Say goodbye to wrist fatigue. The Wrist Rest Carpio 2.0 from Delta Hub, designed by medical experts, reduces soreness and numbness in your hand. Switching between mouse and keyboard is a breeze as it smoothly slides with your hand, providing ergonomic support to increase comfort during prolonged use. Calling all creators, the Toolbox Elite is a Bluetooth controller designed exclusively for editing. Its sleek and compact design allows for easy portability, fitting inside your backpack wherever you go. Whether you're into photo editing, digital painting, graphic design, or audio editing, the scroll dial and knob buttons provide efficient access to tools, enhancing your workflow for a seamless editing experience. Enter the realm of uniqueness with the Ferrofluid Music Mate 1. This photo flute container dances to the rhythm of your music, featuring magnetic fluid that responds to sound. With a backlit light and a built-in battery lasting up to 8 hours, it's not just a functional device but also a decorative addition to your desk. So that concludes our list of the 10 cool gadgets you must try. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.